everyone, good evening. Today I'm very excited to share with you all something I've been working on for a while now. Something which moves an important student relic from the 20th century to the 21st century. Something which removed my pains of online classes and made me super efficient. Something which I dream will reimagine the mundane school bags. Something which puts an extra spring in our steps. Hi, I'm Aditya, about 12 years old, studying my 8th grade in Shishya, Chennai. So when lockdown and online classes started, I had a lot of backlog in my homework and classwork. I had teacher complaints, parent pressure, etc. That's when my dad came to me with an idea to create a diary that will help make me more organized and efficient. I immediately knew it would be more helpful and I started working on it. I worked on it for a few hours every day and the result was Z Diary. Z Diary, it helps me organize my work and unclutter my mind, and not only track my schoolwork, but it also helps me track my life habits and goals. So I started researching more and found role models like Karma Medic and Ali Abdul, who are very efficient in their work and very organized. From there, I got an idea to start a study with me program with the select few people, where I share my Z Diary with a select few people and foolproof it. And after I started using Z Diary, I submitted all my homeworks and assignments on time, and I started tracking all my tests, and it made me very balanced. And I also started becoming role models for a few people. I started to share my story with college and MBA students, and I also got featured in YouTube channels with over lakhs of subscribers. So this is a very common sight, right? From kindergarten to high school, we carry heavy loads of school bags on our backs every single day. Now, there was a point of time when my school bag weighed about half my whole body weight. Now, according to the World Textbook Association, we carry about 19 books per year. And each book weighs about 0.5 to 1.5 kgs. So, just like the movie Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, we now have Honey, I Shrunk the School Bags. Does anybody know why this problem has been ignored for decades, if not centuries? Why such a simple solution has not been found, and our burdens are still remaining? Let's look at a typical scenario. We all have maths as a subject, right? And with maths comes the classwork notebook and a homework notebook. And maths is not alone, it has algebra. Algebra comes with another 2 classwork and homework notebooks. And just like this, all the other notebooks pile on at the end to look like this. We pretty much carry a truckload to school every day. Oh my god, time to change this all and save ourselves from this problem. So just like the movie Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, we now have Honey, I Shrunk the School Bags. So now when this happens, my mother will breathe a sigh of relief. This is my school timetable. We have about 7 classes per day, and with that comes 7 textbooks, 7 classwork notebooks, 5 homework notebooks, 3 test notebooks, my school diary and my school prayer book. And this all adds up to about 3,000 pages we carry to school every day. But the thing is, we need only 5% of that. Yes, instead of carrying 5%, we carry 95% more to school every day. So I collaborated and innovated to create Z folders. Z folders come with, at the minimum, the folder, lesson packs for each subject, notebook packs for dotted, unruled and ruled sheets. This is how my Z folder looks, and it uses a special unique binding mechanism called rings. And these rings are inserted into special mushroom punching holes like this one. The beauty about Z Diary is any sheet can be pulled out, and the same sheet or a different sheet can be attached anywhere into the folder. So this makes Z Diary incredibly efficient, insanely customizable and completely easy to use, replacing our full school bag system. And it can also be customized depending on each school. And the ease of use is so unparalleled that even a junior school student can pick it up and become an expert at it in just a few moments. Now, there are different types of learners. How many of you are visual learners? How many of you are kinesthetic learners? Now, how many of you are auditory learners who like to listen to audiobooks? And how many of you are read and write learners who like to read, write and practice again and again? Now, there are different types of students who like to absorb knowledge in different types of ways. But the thing is, our textbooks don't treat us that way. Our textbooks follow only one method, so it's difficult for students to absorb knowledge in their best way. So another thing I learned from my role models is the way they take notes. It's phenomenal. So I try to use that method and then create the different types of notes, like different colorful mind maps, different visualizations, different graphics, etc. This helps the student understand and absorb knowledge in their best way and help them connect the dots. Now, my next step is to go to investors to find investors for funding and present my idea in Kickstarter, a crowdfunding association. Now, after Z Diary is done, I'm going to present it to schools and ask them and convince them to move to Z Diary and Z folders. Now, my next step is to find investors for funding and present my idea on Kickstarter, a crowdfunding platform. Now, I'm also going to create inspirational and educational videos on YouTube. So, as soon as Z folders and Z Diary is ready, I'm going to present it to schools and convince them to move to Z Diary and Z folders to be more efficient, so they can easily learn and teach the students. This is my story. I used a simple problem to find a simple solution to bring about a change in this world. Thank you.